Okay, so in this video guys, we're gonna show you how you can put an arm to a monitor. Many people tend to do this wrong and they might end up messing up their screen even, and we are not trying to do that today. So in this video, we'll show you step by step on how you can properly attach your arm to your monitor. And don't worry, I'll leave everything in the description below, the names of everything that I'll be using in this video. And by the way, we have a guest.
Yes sir, yes sir. Let's go bro, let's get to work bro, let's get to work. Oh, the lighting. Prince Tech guys, not Prince Tech, Prince Marco guys. The brother, of course.
Yeah.
So yeah guys, let's get straight into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button in it.
Yeah.
Subscribe guys, subscribe.
So the first thing we want to do is place our monitor down over here, and when we do so, we need to make sure that the screen is well protected, and while moving the monitor we need to make sure that we avoid touching the screen at all. So I will show you what that looks like. We are going to use this over here just to make sure that the screen is well protected. And also, rule number one, make sure it is disconnected from the power source, meaning take out the plug. And this is how you properly lift up your monitor. So what we want to do is flip it around. Just put it over there, okay? You grab it like that and gently just place it down. What we're going to do right now is we are going to remove the stand. I'll just fast forward this part so I don't want to waste your time. Just get those screws out and we're ready to go. Our next location is over here.
Okay, the next step guys is fitting on the monitor arm. This is from North Bayou, and this version is the H180, one of the premium version. In fact, you get this as a dual monitor arm, but we're just going to be fitting this on to here, and I'm not sure if it's going to fit because we've got two slots where screws can go in. I'm not sure if you're going to need the wider ones, maybe, yeah, the wider ones on both, and then we place it like this. But yeah, enough of the talking, man, let's just get to work.
Whenever you are applying your arm, make sure that this section over here is straightened like that, and this allows you to have more room while screwing in. And as you screw, rule number two, do not be applying excessive pressure onto the monitor. You could damage its internals, and we do not want that as well. First up, we got the screwdriver and then the screws themselves and the arm. This is honestly a perfect fit. And another reason why I say it should be like this will guide you, bro. You can immediately see where everything should be. So there's this thing I tend to do whenever I am messing around with screws, whether it's bolts and nuts or whatever it is. Before I tighten them, I fit them all in. This helps me to keep count of how many more I have to fit first of all, and I can see whether or not I will need more. Once everything is done, it should look something like this, guys. As you can see, it's all aligned and I'm able to freely move this.
This is probably the most important part of this entire video, and you really have to pay attention. Watch how we transfer the screen from the table to the other piece of the arm. Pay close attention.
Preferably, I want a hand. I need a hand to do this just to be safe, you know. Prince, please, buddy. So one person will lift the monitor and the other will basically put it in. Hold up.
Pause. Bro, chill out.
Anyways, see, no one is holding the screen. And okay, Prince, lift the camera so they can see.
Okay. Ah, bro, how am I forgetting, bro? We must get that immersive experience, guys.
Bro, the plastic piece. Okay. Is there next to you?
Which one this?
No, the black piece.
Oh, okay.
Just put it in there first. Okay. And then you're just gonna put that in there.
Lift up.
Up.
More.
More.
It has to bend, bro. Like.
Hold up. Straighten it.
Yep.
There we go. And yeah, guys, the monitor is in. One. And we're just gonna swing this that way. Push this and
adjust
it doesn't. We can untighten this. Just give me a second. if you find time, we can run one. Talking about things we can undo. That's tightening. Just make it loose a bit. And okay, let's try again. There we go. Okay guys, and once you're done, it should look something like this. And yeah, I'm loving how everything came out, and thanks to my brother's assistance as well. So yeah, I hope in this video you guys learned a thing or two on how you can properly fit a monitor arm to your monitor. And yeah, subscribe for more videos like this, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.